Welcome to the beginner's journey on how to use a lathe. I'm starting from scratch, as you've seen in a few of my other videos. And each week you're going to get to see a little bit of my progress. I try to practice something new each week, try to figure out dig-ins, catches, the skew chisel. So come along on my journey. Let's roll up our sleeves, put back our hair, and get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I was talking to my dad yesterday about some of the difficulties I've been having with the skew chisel. He mentioned that my tool rest needs to be as close as possible to the wood, and grinding my tools is probably my biggest battle. So I saw a video, well, this isn't showing up very well, where a guy used a protractor. I don't think this one's going to work. This one might work. He had a better one where he drew a line on his tool to get the angle correct. Now, I can already see that I have managed to get this off quite a bit. It gets blurry for you guys. So I'm going to try that to see what happens. So I took my dad's advice and adjusted my tool rest and got it closer into the wood. Tried to remind myself that first the tool on the rest, then the bevel, wait for the chips to come over the blade, and then rotate. Bevel, rotate, toe went in. Bevel, rotate, heel went in. Bevel, rotate, toe went in. Oh my goodness. Okay, so how long does it take to try and not poke at the wood like I do? Let's see if I need to review another tape or lesson. Okay, so I had to get my magnifying glass out so I could see what I was doing here, which really helped. And this protractor trick also helped. Like my dad said, that the grinding and the sharpness of your tools is going to be the most of your battle. But now I've got them at the right angle. So let's see what difference that makes. Well, having the right sharpness to my tool and the right angle helped a bit. Like I did a little bit here really well without any of the blah, 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 blah coming at me. But I really want this to be a Christmas tree. I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm gonna keep at it. Just tells you how long you need to practice. What's that book? 10,000 hours?